Pre-seasoned carbon steel wok pan 14 woks and stir-fry pans, Chinese wok with round bottom wok, traditional Chinese Japanese woks, black steel wok. Genuine taste. Discover the rich, authentic flavors of Chinese and other Asian cuisines in your own home. The Yosukata 14-inch wok with round bottom is specially designed to lock the juice and flavor inside ingredients. Pre-seasoned. Our carbon steel wok is pre-seasoned at high temperatures using special techniques, unlike unseasoned woks and stir-fry pans. Don't worry about pre-seasoning your Chinese wok anymore. High-quality materials. This large wok pan is made from heavy-duty, black carbon steel. The ergonomic design of the wooden handle ensures a comfy grip when you use this cooking wok. Versatility. In addition to stir-frying, with the Yosukata 14 power wok, you can cook healthy meals using various traditional cooking techniques like pan frying, braising, deep frying, etc. Easy handling and storage. Our steel wok is convenient to carry and easy to store. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.